horn test. The NVH is really good, so it changes the dynamics of the fan instantly. Build quality is quite good. So I'm now getting a massage. Nice solid door sound. This is a gorgeous car actually. Hey guys, we're here in the GAC M8 and we are going to take it for a POV drive. Here is the key. It is nicely weighted. You have these 4 buttons which are capacitive. You have your lock and unlock and your buttons for the power sliding doors, as well as your trunk release button. So to start it, just have the key inside the vehicle, press your foot on the brake and hit the start stop button. And it fires right up very quietly. Has this large screen. You also have a fully digital driver's display. Has a nice resolution. Here you have 2 cup holders on the center console together with a wireless charger right here and a slot to put some more items there. You can keep things hidden via this cover. You have here a center console, nicely sized, also nicely padded. Build quality is quite good. It feels solid, and you have these interesting patterns right here. You have 2 charging ports right there together with a 12-volt power outlet and a USB Type-C charger. You can also place a bag right here since the center console is floating. Off to the left you have your trunk or tailgate release. That's it. There's no more buttons here. You have automatic headlights, automatic rain sensing wipers, a digital rear view mirror, LED lights, interior lights, and you have a sunroof. Nice Alcantara like material on the headliner. And this is for your doors, powered sliding doors, rear doors. And the infotainment, this is what it looks like. Pretty responsive, and the icons are nice and large, so it's easy to find what you're looking for here. You also have this access screen right here, so you can also do the SPA mode for the right side passenger, which is like a zero gravity mode. So yeah, all in all, this is just built for comfort. So let us check out the rear seat of the G8 Master. Getting in and out is pretty easy. This is very comfortable in here. You have your multi-function controls right here, which is touch capacitive. So you can adjust your recline, your slide, and your SPA mode. So you also have here memory seats. So it has massaging rear seats, which is also ventilated and heated. There you go. And then, oh wow, it's actually comfortable. So here you can see the Alcantara headliner again. You have LED lighting. Another one here, which you can control, the spotlight. You have an ambient light here at night. And you also have some venting here for air cooling. But you also have your vents here. You have a sunshade. You have a pop-out table here. Very luxurious, and it's actually pretty sturdy. Wow. You have this nice trim right here as well. And the doors, it's echoing what's on the front, the parang mountain display. So that's the dashboard of the GAC M8 Master. You have sunshades, as I mentioned. You can really relax back here. You also have a sunroof back here, which you can open via this button, one touch. And you also have these very intricate details on the glass. That is very interesting. Honestly feels like a first class cabin back here. You have here also a nice storage space, very large. You have USB charging there, Type A and Type C. You have 2 cup holders there, which are heated and cooled. So let's switch it up to the normal mode. Let's turn off the luxuries of this car. And it actually has a 3rd row. I currently have the 2nd row on my comfortable setting with space on the 3rd row. I still have a lot of space back here. Headroom is quite decent. I have this much. And even the armrest here is nicely padded with 2 cup holders and a USB Type A charging input. The windows are also large, so you have a nice view outside. It doesn't feel claustrophobic back here. Now the third row can recline. If I can figure it out, here you have a tab here where you pull it and you can recline it. Wow, the third row is actually comfortable as well, and the materials, the headrest is nice. It's very supple, and the leather is just so smooth. So yeah, it is a very comfortable cruiser. So let's go ahead and take it for a drive. To activate the gear selector, just push down for drive, 1 flick for neutral, and then 2 clicks for reverse, and it will show your 360-degree camera together with your backup camera. So let's go ahead and take it for a drive. Release the electronic parking brake. So we are now starting off the drive, and first impressions, it's very smooth. The steering is so light. You don't feel the road actually. It is very comfortable, very smooth as well. The M8 is powered by a 2.0 turbocharged gasoline engine. Kickdown, there's a bit of a delay, but when the power is there, it gets going. Brake feel is also quite good. It doesn't feel like a big car. And all-around visibility, it has a long windshield and a short hood, so maneuvering this would be quite tricky. It would take time getting used to, but thankfully you have here your large 14-inch infotainment screen with a 360-degree camera. The NVH is really good. You feel isolated from the outside world. So the main focus or goal for this van is pure luxury. You can also change your gauge cluster display. The steering wheel is a 3-spoke design, leather wrapped with perforations on the side. Here you have your trip computer controls, so you can select your different gauges displayed, and you also have here your adaptive cruise control button. On the right side, you have here for your radio, for your Bluetooth and whatnot. So let's switch driving modes. So you have comfort, sport, or eco. Now let's try it in sport. So it changes the dynamics of the van instantly. Slight throttle inputs and it delivers power. You can hear the 2.0 engine on higher RPMs, but on low cruising speeds it is still refined, surprisingly. And the transmission shifts are actually smooth as well. You don't really feel it shifting. So you also have your front and rear parking sensors. Build quality overall is nice. The materials used are soft touch. The armrest is nicely padded. You also have this Alcantara type material here, and this nice chrome trim that is scattered around the cabin. Here you have your home screen. So it does have Apple CarPlay. Let's switch it to comfort mode. Let's do a horn test. It's very premium. Even the switches on the steering wheel feel very solid. We don't have paddle shifters, but that's a given because of, again, the purpose of this minivan is purely for comfort and luxury. You also do get those M8 badging on the corners of the windshield. When you turn on the turn signals, it will automatically display the curbside view. In comfort mode, the power is very subdued. So maneuvering this is pretty easy. You even have your centimeters there, how close you are to the object. Now we are riding on the brick road. It is very smooth. You don't feel it at all. It's like you're riding on asphalt. Safety wise, this one has adaptive cruise control, forward collision warning, blind spot monitoring system, and a 360-degree camera, lane keeping assist, to name a few. Right, so we're now back. So to put it in park, just press this P button right here. So to turn it off, just press the start stop button. When you open the door, the seats will move back, guiding you your egress. Memory seats. Nice solid door sound. Okay guys, that was a POV drive off the GAC M8. If you enjoyed this video, this is a gorgeous car actually. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to be notified once I upload a new video. This has been TJ. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.